Okay, start. Tenses. How many types of tenses are there?
Types.
Three types.
Yeah.
Types.
Basically, three types of tenses are there. What is the first type?
Present.
Ma'am, present tense.
Present tense.
Present tense.
After that,
Past tense.
Past tense.
after that,
Past tense. Past tense.
Tense.
future tense. So three types of tenses are there: present tense, past tense, and future tense. So present. First, we will start. First, we will start tenses. Simple present. Okay. What is the format of so many students are waiting?
Subject plus V1 plus object.
Yes. At least subject plus V1. If S or ES is board visible to you, 1 minute. I am writing a very simple sentence. Ram eats a mango. Are you people able to see it? दिखा?
No, ma'am.
नहीं दिख रहा है?
No, ma'am. मैम क्लियर नहीं है.
अच्छा क्लियर नहीं
Clear नहीं है.
अच्छा ओके
मैम कुछ
राम
नहीं दिख रहा है.
थोड़ा सा
अच्छा,
पास
चल।
लेके चल जाए.
और पास
मैम जूम कर लीजिए.
इसको जूम कर ले. आई डोंट नो हाउ
Yes,
टू
ma'am.
जूम.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है.
नहीं होगा तो लैपटॉप में स्क्रीन शेयर करके वर्ड में हम लोग को लिख के बता.
अच्छा वो वर्ड लिखे. चलो आई एम स्पीकिंग ऑल्सो ना. बोल तो रहे ही है. सपोज आई से वन
Okay,
सेंटेंस.
ma'am.
Ram eats an apple. Which type of sentence is this?
Simple present.
Simple present.
Yeah. Yes, it is simple present.
Simple present tense.
If I say Ram is eating an apple, what will be?
Simple continuous.
Continuous
Present
tense.
continuous.
Present continuous.
Ram
Present
has
perfect.
no present continuous. Ram has eaten an apple.
Present perfect.
Present perfect.
tense.
Very good. And if I say Ram had been eating an apple,
Present perfect continuous tense.
Present perfect continuous.
yes, Ram has been eating an apple for 5 minutes.
बोली ना.
Ram had been eating an apple for 5 minutes. Then
Present continuous.
present perfect continuous. When we say present perfect continuous, for what happened? Should I mute everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But I want, when I am teaching grammar, I want interactive session. That's why I don't want to mute you people. But you should take care of your background noises. So Ram had been eating an apple for 5 minutes. Now here one thing is
Present
there.
continuous. Present perfect continuous.
This is present example of present perfect continuous. Now I would like to discuss one thing. Suppose that I said Ram had been eating an apple for 5 minutes. But if I say Ram had been eating an apple since 10:15 a.m. What is difference?
Present perfect Continuous.
Present perfect continuous tense.
दोनों ही तो प्रेजेंट
मैम
परफेक्ट।
डिफरेंस ये है कि सिंस मैम डिफरेंस ये है कि सिंस तब यूज होता है जब एक स्टार्टिंग टाइम दिया और फॉर जब तब यूज होता है जब
Exact
पीरियड ऑफ
time
टाइम
जब
दिया
दिया
हो।
रहता है।
Yes.
और मैम फॉर जब ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम दिया रहता है।
When we talk of point of time, we use since. When we talk of period of time, we use for. ठीक है ना? हाँ, for is for period of time, since is for point of time. Clear? Since denotes period, point of time. For denotes period of time. Clear? Is it clear to everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. And no, who said no? Since point of time for period of time. Point of time, we know starting point. ठीक है? We do not know end point. And when we say for, we say period of time, means this period of time may be changed. Suppose that I am telling that Ram is eating an apple for 5 minutes. Okay? He is eating an apple for 5 minutes. But if I say right now and the time is 10:15, means he is eating an apple for he has just started eating the apple at 10:10, isn't it? But if I say it at 11, अगर ये हम 10:15 पे बोलते हैं तो यहाँ तो क्लियर हो गया कि वो 5 मिनट से खा रहा है, मतलब कि वो 10 से खा रहा है. But if I will speak the same line by 11 o'clock, his starting point will be changed. है ना?
10:55।
हाँ, it will be 10:55. तो since कब यूज करेंगे? जबकि तुम्हारा point of time fixed हो. And for it denotes period of time. Clear? यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है? Now
No,
I am
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
okay. Now background. Take care
मैम
of
सुजीत
background noise. Now it's okay. Still students are coming. 89 now it is. I am muting everyone. If I will say you to unmute, you people will unmute.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay? Okay. I have muted everyone. Still I am.
Ma'am,
What happened?
ma'am,
हाँ, बोलो.
everyone.
I have muted all. अब चलो unmute the option.
Not allowed.
Yes, I am doing the same.
Ma'am, not allowed to participate.
I have done. Now, okay. Verb expressing the present. Simple. How we will denote simple present? Verb plus s or es, if it is required. Subject will be there. After subject, it will be verb plus s or es. And now, when do we use? Time and again, I am supposed to. Okay. To talk about habits, routine, or action that are done repeatedly. Okay. When we use simple present, we use simple present to talk about habits, routines, or action that are done repeatedly. Clear? Suppose that Shruti goes for her judo classes every evening. This action is done repeatedly. Or suppose that you say, I go for morning walk every day. Means here, this work is done repeatedly. So when the, okay, some students were raising hand. Should I allow participant to, okay, I have, wait. Some student raised hand. Was there any problem? Some student wanted to say something. It's very.
Ma'am, I can't understand, ma'am. Present continuous.
Present continuous. Present continuous means is R plus ing form. Suppose I am going to market. If this is an example of present continuous. When we will use present continuous and how we will use it, that we will read. So first I am dealing with, I am going to explain simple present. So when do we use simple present? We use simple present to talk about habits, routines, or action that are done repeatedly. And Shruti goes for her judo classes every evening to talk about scientific or universal truth. To talk about scientific or universal truth. A plant needs air, water, and soil to grow. A plant needs air, water, and soil to grow. What is this? This is, you can say, universal fact. A plant cannot grow without air, water, and soil. To advise, request, or order means we can say that simple present is used in imperative sentences. Open the book and read the poem. What is this? This is a command. So when we talk about command, we use simple present. Now I am going to explain present continuous. Present continuous. A few students are still waiting. Okay. Present to talk about an action going on at the time of speaking. Clear? To talk about an action taking place at the time of speaking. Is it clear? To talk about action going on these days and not just at the time of speaking. Two things are there. Anand Ranjan raised hand. Anand Ranjan, ADD roll number 25, raised hand. Anand Ranjan, I am unmuting you. Okay.
मैम प्लीज एक बार फिर से कंटिन्यूअस बता दीजिए.
कंटिन्यूअस ही तो बता रहे थे. कंटिन्यूअस ही तो बता रहे थे. कंटिन्यूअस देखो, there are two types. Continuous means first we read about two things. First was to talk about an action going on at the time of speaking. As we say that, as you can say that we are learning English at this time. सिंपल प्रेजेंट का एग्जांपल है ना, वी आर लर्निंग टेंसेस राइट नाउ, इज इट understood? And if suppose that first one is when we talk about the action taking place at the time of speaking, another is to talk about action going on these days, not just at the time of speaking. अगर कोई भी चीज कंटिन्यूएशन में कर रहे हैं, we are taking online classes these days. अगर ये हम बोलें कि we are taking online classes these days, means it is not just at the time of speaking. अभी हो रही है क्लास, चलो well and good. अगर अभी क्लास नहीं भी हो रही होती, फिर भी हम लोग यही सेंटेंस बोलते, क्योंकि अभी in current situation we are taking classes or you people are learning, your people are also taking your classes online. So two things are there. First thing is when action is taking place at the time of speaking, or when we want to convey something, that is convey an action that is taking place at the time of means not at the time of speaking these days. अगर आजकल किसी कारण से, it is not our normal habit, ये हम लोगों की normal habit तो नहीं है ना कि हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेते थे. जब स्कूल नॉर्मल चलती थी तो हम लोग ऑफलाइन क्लासेस ही तो क्लासरूम क्लासेस होती थी, बट नाउ वी आर टेकिंग ऑनलाइन क्लास. क्लियर? हाँ, so let me unmute everyone so that I can talk to you. Now I have given you power to unmute yourself. Do you people have any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
यहाँ तक बात समझ में आ गई?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next, simple present or present continuous. Worksheet. Anyone is having book? किसी के पास बुक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Read worksheet number 2. Who will read worksheet number 2?
Voice not clear. Clearly.
My voice is not coming clear.
I'm not able to.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm using earphone also. Background noise also coming. Okay. Just a minute. Lots of noise is there. Disturbance. So I am going to read simple present or present continuous worksheet number 2. I go to the library every weekend. I am going to the library. Sentence 1 talks about a habitual action, whereas sentence 2 describes an action happening at the time of speaking. Read this example. Seema waters her plant every evening. Habitual action. However, today she is watering them in the morning as she has to go out in the evening. Action happening now at the time of speaking. Two sentences are there. I go to the library every weekend. This is Simple present because we are talking about habitual action. I am going to library. I am going to library right now. Means this action is present continuous because the action is taking place at the time of speaking. In sentence 1 talks about habitual action. What is the sentence 1? I go to the library every weekend. Sentence 2 talks or describe an action at the time of speaking. What is the sentence? I am going to the library. Next is Seema waters her plant every evening. Habitual action. ठीक है? Seema waters her plant every evening. That is habitual action. Seema, however, today she is watering them in the morning as she has to go out in the evening. It is not habitual action. This is taking place at the time of speaking. Clear? Is it clear till here? Next. So points to be remembered. What is that? Points to be remembered. Simple present tense is used to describe routine, habitual actions that are happening all the time, not particular at the time of speaking. Whereas present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening now at the time of speaking. Clear? Okay, I am repeating. Simple present is used to describe routine, habitual actions that are happening all the time, not particularly at the time of speaking. Whereas present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening now at the time of speaking. जब टाइम ये जिस समय हम लोग बोल रहे हैं उसी समय वो एक्शन हो रहा है, then we will use present continuous. But if we talk about talk about something that is done or in habit, universal truth, habitual action, scientific facts, geographical facts, these takes place, these need simple present. Now I am unmuting you people, but when I unmute you people, it becomes very difficult. Wait, so mute all. Allow participants to unmute themselves. There is no column of this. No. Okay, I have unmuted. Anyone? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
You people,
No,
you
ma'am.
people, okay, you people understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I
Yes,
start?
ma'am.
Okay, one. So, simple present and present continuous we have done. Now present perfect. When we use present perfect?
Ma'am, when the work is completed just before the time of speaking.
Yes.
जल्दी से कट गया था, दे दिया.
Now I allowed you people to unmute yourself and you people started talking. What is this? Very bad. Background noise is coming. Unmute yourself. Sorry, mute yourself if background noise is there. Chavi, your mic. Vipul, your mic. Only 2 mics are working right now. 2 mics are on. It is Chavi's and Vipul's.
Piyush.
Piyush also. Om Prakash also. Also, to talk about an action that happened in the past but whose effect can be felt at the time of speaking. Isn't it? To talk about an action that happened in the past but whose effect can be felt at the moment of speaking. Clear? As I have read all the books, I need not read them now. I have read all the books. I need not read them now. Clear? यहाँ तक clear है? Present perfect? Perfect continuous.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will speak perfect continuous? Will anyone?
Perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions happening now at the time of speaking.
Not the actions which began in past but are still in progress.
Yes. To talk about an action that began in the past and is continuing at the time of speaking and will extend into the future. मतलब काम तो पहले स्टार्ट हुआ, अभी भी चल रहा है और आगे भी चलेगा. Isn't it? This is there, na? One action began in the past and is still continuing and will continue for some times in future also. Example, Ria has been playing for 2 hours now. Ria has been playing
हम तो
for
इस सिचुएशन में हम लोग कौन सा टेंस यूज करते हैं?
किस सिचुएशन में? आप प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. काम
अभी जैसे काम थोड़ी देर
पहले स्टार्ट हुआ. अब सपोज अभी हम लोग अपने क्लास का ही सिचुएशन ले लें. ओके, इट इज स्टार्टेड एट 10 o'clock. Is still continuing and will continue for
Only 2 minutes left.
हाँ, but it will continue for 2 more minutes. Isn't it? है ना? तो तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं ना, we have been reading tenses. We have been reading tenses since 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock पे हम लोगों की क्लास शुरू हुई, हम लोग टेंस पढ़ना स्टार्ट किए. Okay? We have been reading tenses. We have been studying tenses since 10 o'clock. Yeah, we can say that we have been reading tenses for 40 minutes. Is it clear? ये concept clear हो गया?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 1 minute.
Only 1 minute is there. So
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट
Ma'am.
एक बार फिर से
हाँ.
बता दीजिए तो.
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का फॉर्म होता है सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैव हैज प्लस V3. Suppose that I have gone to market. I subject have plus V3 gone. And now when do we use? हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? To talk about an action just completed. किसी एक्शन के बारे में जो कि अभी तुरंत कंप्लीट हुआ हो. Present perfect continuous, when we use that it had started in the past, still it in action and it will continue for some times in the future. ये हो गया. प्लस परफेक्ट और परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में डिफरेंस क्या है? परफेक्ट में काम अभी क्लोज, ओके, एक्शन हैज बीन क्लोज राइट नाउ बट इफेक्ट इज देयर. एंड परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस वी हैव means action is started in the past, still continuing and will continue for a few minutes in the future. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I had earlier also I had told you people to do some message. जैसे तुम लोगों के इस वीडियो when I will upload the video. What happened? Background noise is coming. आप YouTube पे वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे तो तुम लोग आप एक हो, सपोज दैट सारे स्टूडेंट एटलीस्ट एक आप simple present का present continuous, suppose that you have started with one sentence, very simple sentence,